decorated your room. Glass of oak.
This hotel has a balcony. That's awesome. And I walk out here. What the hell is this room?
Dylan!
Whoa. Dylan! Oh my god! Hey, Gwyneth, can you open the bathroom door for me?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, no, not that door.
Oh.
No, not that door.
What kind of spooky ass? Look at that. What?
Unmistakable handprints of somebody who got absolutely railed while taking a shower.
Austin, it's for you.
Oh, thanks.